Hey guys, it's Mary. I'm going to try to get through this video without coughing because, yeah, some of us at the house have gotten that cold, cough, congestion thing. But I wanted to try to do this video because it has been a hot minute since I've gotten a Tonic craft kit. Months. I used to get them all the time, but then, you know, I decided that I just wanted to get things that, I didn't have. I had nothing like it, something that, spoke to me. So this brand new one, I don't even know what number they're at anymore. Maybe it'll tell us. 87. There you go. 87. Craft Kit 87. It's called Hearts in Bloom. And I don't have a lot of hearts. And there was something about this one that I really liked. So we're going to just jump in. It has some foiling things this time. And I don't know if this is the first time they've had this or not, but I thought that would be fun. But what I loved about this was this plate and how pretty it was. We've got the plate, and then we've got all the different sections that you can do individual, or you could do it all at one time. And I just thought it was so pretty. So it looks like there's instructions to do the foiling. It has all these little hearts to replace in here too. So I thought that was fun. And look, we've got little tiny hearts, like the what are those? Candy hearts. Yeah, the ones that have the little sayings on them. I don't eat them, so I can't even think of what they're called. But all right, so that's the die, and that is what attracted me to this one. So let's get that one away. And then this one happens to come, I think it's like every 3 or 4 months, a folder comes. So this one just happens to come with the folder this time. Let's move the box away. Let me know in comments if you subscribe. The thing that I like about it is that you don't have to get it every month. You can pick and choose, which clearly I have. So let's see what goodies are in here. We've got a big jumbo large flat tip glue pen. Glimmer paste in Moonstone. That's always a good one. I've got some of that. Here's some of the foil. And more foil. All right, so we've got two things of foil. This one is rose gold. And this is such a pretty blushing pink. And then Love Potion in the cream drops. That's a real pretty pink color too. So we've got all these goodies. I'm going to put them back in here. That's a nice size. Excuse me. All right, and let's see what papers we have. They've changed their folder since I got one. I don't know how long ago. Every fold, every cut, every hue. Craft Perfect, where every shade tells a story. Ooh. All right, so this tells us what colors we have. But it's kind of... All right, let's see if we can figure this out. This Sugar Crystal Glitter, I'd say that's that one. This one, Rose Platinum Mirror Card. These are Pearl, Blushing Pink, and Coffee Cream in the Pearl S card. Those are pretty. And then regular card in Bubblegum Pink, Rose Pink, and Cherry Red. It says we should have a smooth card in white, but let's see. They didn't put them in the same order that the list is. This must be the Ivory White. So that's a really pretty palette of colors. Look at how pretty that is. Very pretty. And then they've got a couple of pictures to show you. It's a little frame that they did. It says a craft kit wallet folder and binder exclusive sticker. Yes, we have that. And here's the foil. And then that's one of the individual small hearts. So I thought it was very pretty, and I love these colors. So, all right, so that's it. Craft Kit 87. So if you don't subscribe, you do get a discount, but you can also, most of them you can get a one-off, which I think is like $4 or $5 more. But like I said, the good thing about it is that you don't necessarily have to get it every month. You go in and you say, you know, skip this month. But you're still active, so you still get, I think it's a 10% discount on all your Tonic purchases with the code that they give you when you sign up. So, all right, so that's it. Let me know in comments if you've picked this one up. Let me know if you get the subscription. I like how they've changed everything. So, all right, so that's it. Sorry it's not longer. I'm hoping to be well soon so I can get back on track with all the new and fun things that I've got planned. So, so thank you so much if you are a subscriber. If not, you can, and you're thinking about it, you can hit that subscribe button, and the bell will send you notifications every time there's a new video. The thumbs up is the like button. There's a share button also, which is easy. It gives you the link so that you can share it with your friends. So let me know in comments. I hope everybody else is well or okay. And hopefully nobody's down in Southern California. I'm in not quite Northern California. I'm east of San Francisco, so my heart goes out to all of those in Southern California right now. It's just devastating, all those fires at one time just surrounding the LA area. So, and weather's crazy in a lot of places too. So I hope everybody's safe and well. So, all right, so that's it. Till next time, stay safe, stay well, and happy crafting. Bye-bye.